Tired of sounding like a basic biscuit in the world full of posh vocabulary? Don't worry, love. I've got 5 British vocabulary words that will definitely help you out to sound more polished. Even the Queen would take notes. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to Anna's Learning Corner, where we turn serious English into serious fun. Today I'm giving you 5 C1 level English words with proper native examples and beautiful pronunciation in British. Let's get started without wasting any time. First word for today is eloquent. Eloquent. First, listen the pronunciation carefully and try to repeat after listening it 3 times. So it is eloquent. Eloquent. It has 3 syllables. Eloquent. 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 It means able to express clearly and more efficiently. You can say she gave an eloquent speech about mental health. His eloquent words moved the entire audience. I wish I was as eloquent as I am in front of the mirror. Well, that's true. Word number 2 is detrimental. It has 4 syllables. Detrimental. 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 Try to say it louder. Detrimental. Detrimental means causing any harm or any destruction. It's a negative word. You can use it like smoking is detrimental to your health. A lack of sleep can be detrimental to performance. Forgetting your anniversary is truly detrimental to your relationship. I agree. Then we have ambiguous. Ambiguous. Ambiguous, just like big. Ambiguous. 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 Ambiguous means something which is not clear. When there are so many confusing interpretations of something that are not clear, that are not transparent, you can say. You can call it ambiguous. For example, the instructions were so ambiguous, I got lost. Her message was ambiguous. It's a yes or maybe. My relationship status is ambiguous, even to me. Third word is meticulous. Again, it has 4 syllables. Meticulous. 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 It means doing something in detail with great care. You can utilize it like she's meticulous about organizing her notes. The detective examined the scene meticulously. Only meticulous about snacks, the rest not so much. Then 4th one we have articulate. 4 syllables. Articulate. 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 Articulate means express your ideas, thoughts, or feelings clearly and more effectively. You can use it like very articulate when presenting ideas. You need to articulate your point more clearly in this essay. I'm only articulate after coffee. Until then, I grunt. Now you've learned one more word, grunt. Grunt is basically a gesture or a word used in British people when someone is unskilled, unprofessional, or feeling low, like really low energy, then you can call that person a grunt. One word was eloquent, and there was one more word which was giving almost the same meaning as eloquent. Tell me in the comment section if you watched the video in a meticulous manner without any ambiguity. Write down a beautiful sentence in British English in the comment section with the word relevant to eloquent. If you have learned something from this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Lots of love.